friends. For our today's Japanese useful phrases when you're traveling in Japan is, excuse me, where is the bathroom? Or, excuse me, where is the toilet? Okay, so are you ready? Let's go. Excuse me, where is the toilet? We say, suimasen, toire wa doko desu ka? Try one more. Suimasen, toire wa doko desu ka? Where is doko? Okay, so suimasen or sumimasen means excuse me. Okay, so where is the toilet? We say, toire wa doko desu ka? But there's another way of saying this, okay? If you want to say it, in a proper way, you want to ask, excuse me, where is the bathroom? So we say, suimasen, otearai wa doko desu ka? So bathroom is otearai, okay? So one more. Suimasen, otearai wa doko desu ka? Okay? And for our extra lesson today, I'm going to teach you how to use suimasen or sumimasen. It's okay. You can say sumimasen, or sometimes you can hear people say suimasen, okay? So whichever is fine, okay? I use first sumimasen, okay? So today we will use sumimasen, okay? So anyways, there are two ways you can use these words. It's either for excuse me, okay? So as you learned a little while ago, excuse me, where is the bathroom? Sumimasen, otearai wa doko desu ka? Okay? And that's for excuse me, okay? But you can also use sumimasen or suimasen when you want to say sorry, okay? Like when you bump to somebody like that, you say, suimasen, okay? Okay, so I hope this helped you today, and I'll see you in 2 weeks, okay? That's it for today, and mata ne!